How to make money on YouTube with GrooveFunnel Digital. Watch the video to the end and I will show you how you can start an online business today without paying for anything. GrooveCM is an all-in-one e-commerce and business software that includes a wide variety of free marketing and customer relationship marketing tools. You can leverage one or more of the software applications to build a business and generate money online and on YouTube, even if you have no product to sell or doesn't have a business idea. With GrooveCM, you don't even need money to make money. You can sign up for a free account. There is a link in the description of this video, but later on that. With Groove Pages, you can build websites for your existing business, your products, your services, or for your clients. With a free version, you can create 3 websites with full navigation, sell unlimited products, and utilize free one-click upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can build sales funnels for yourself and as a freelancer for other people. You can design or redesign websites and landing pages and sales funnels. Create an e-commerce store. As an agency or a freelancer using GrooveCart, you can start your own e-commerce store or start a dropshipping business with no upfront financial investment. GrooveCart can be compared to Shopify, but there is no monthly fees. You can even switch from Shopify to GrooveCart with a click of a button and you won't lose any data. Let's say you have an idea for an online course. You can start your own membership site with GrooveMember. A membership site is a website where content is protected with a password and the members usually pay for a monthly membership fee. Another way is to write a blog and sell ad space. GrooveBlog is a simple blogging system that allows you to optimize and publish content online. Blogging can also be used to sell ad space or promote affiliate products. With GrooveMail you can start email marketing. Here we have broadcast, sequences, lists, automations, forms, segments, and a new broadcast. With Groove Affiliate, you can start your own army of affiliates. It is easy to sign up as an affiliate and you get paid weekly. There are pre-made, high-converting, customizable promotion tools in the management area. By promoting Groove products and using your free account, you will earn 20% commission on Tier 1 for life and 5% commission on Tier 2 for life. If you upgrade your membership, you get paid 40% on Tier 1 and 10% on Tier 2. All this without paying any fees. No credit card required, ever. You only pay when you upgrade to full membership. The bad news is that the one-time payment for the upgrade is going to end on the end of February 2022. Thereafter, it is going to change to a monthly subscription. So get it now. If you do not have the money to upgrade now, here is a plan. Sign up for a free version, sign up for the affiliate program, promote GrooveFunnels, and after a few sales you will have the money to upgrade and earn larger commissions. Now for my surprise bonus. If you sign up to the free version of GrooveFunnels and you send me your receipt to admin@pierduisel.com, I will give you a course that will teach you how to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube for free. The value of this course is $997. The course also includes weekly live training by the expert Paul Murphy. Now how cool is that? Inside the course we have 7 modules, and if you open 7 modules, there are lessons inside. You also will be invited to his Facebook group. This is something not to be missed. You can start an online business today without paying for anything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like my video, and hit the bell so that you can be informed when I post more videos like this.